Hi boys and girls, welcome to this video which is all about writing our Year 3 and 4 Common Exception words. So these are all our rainbow words. You might have watched the video already talking about how to read them. This is all about how to write them. So we're going to look at all the words beginning with A up to I today. Okay, our first word is, are you ready? Accident. Accident. Remember, you can pause the video if you want some time to write it down. There's the word accident. Sounds like an S, but it's double C. Next word is actual. Actual. Act, U-L. So we've got to act and then U-L. Our next word is actuale. So use actual to help you with actuale. Actuale, double L. Next word, address. Address. What is the address on the letter? I've got the word dress in there. Add, dress. So if we can spell dress, we can spell address. Next word, answer. Answer. I hope you know the answer to the question. There it is. Looks like answer. Answer, doesn't it? Next word is appear. Appear. Like with the reading, looks like appear, but it's appear. Next word is arrive. Arrive. That double R. And believe. Believe. Can you write it down? Pause the video if you need more time. Believe. So it's bell, I-E-V-E. Believe. Bicycle is our next word. Bicycle. So we've got cycle and by. By means two, so it's a two-wheeled cycle. Next word is breath. Breath. My breath is cold. And the next one, breathe. Very similar to breath, but all that's different is that E on the end. Well done if you got that right. Okay, our next word is build. Build. Looks like build. It's that U that people forget. And busy. Busy. Looks like bussy. Well done if you got it right. Next word is business. We like to say in class, busyness. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. Calendar. Calendar. Cal-en-dar. It's got the word lend in the middle. Can you see it? Court. Court. Tricky one, this one often catches people out. Court catches people out. C-A-U-G-H-T. Our next word is centre. Centre. Tricky one, this one, because there's a different way of spelling it in American as there is in English. We spell it with a C, C-E-N-T, centre. It's R-E rather than E-R. Century. Century. Pause the video if you want to write it down. Century. And certain. Certain. All these words beginning with C rather than an S. Certain. Certain. Circle is the next one. Circle. There it is again, beginning with C. Well done. Complete. 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 And that E-T-E on the end. We're doing really well. Keep going, everybody. Our next word is consider. Consider. There it is. Concide. Looks like concide, doesn't it? Consider. Continue. 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 And this one always catches us out. Decide. Decide. Great job if you get this one. Decide. Lots of you put an S in the middle. It's a C. And describe. Describe. Again, it's got an S and a C, that one. Here's one people often use but get wrong. Different. Lots of people forget that E-R-E, two E's. And difficult. Difficult. Our next word is disappear. Disappear. So if we know appear, we can do disappear. Our next word is early. Early. It's that E-R, like ear. And earth. Earth. Again, E-A-R, ear, isn't it? The number 8 is next. It's that silent I-G-H in 8 that catches people out. And eighth. So if we know 8, we should be able to do 8. Don't forget you can pause the video whenever you need to. Our next word is enough. Enough. Now it sounds like there should be an F on the end, but it's a G-H. Enough. And exercise. Exercise. It's where the C and the S go. It's the C first. Experience. Experience. E-X-P. Experience is how it is spelt. Experiment. Same as before, experiment. Can use your sounds for that one. Extreme. Extreme. Looks like extreme with an E on the end. And famous. 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 And February. February. Forward. 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 And fruit. Fruit. Looks like fruit. Fruit. Grammar. Grammar. Lots of people get this one wrong. Grammar. Grammar. And group. Group. Are you in the group? G-R-O-U-P. And guard. Guard. With this one, people forget the U again. And the same with guide. Guide. It's that G-U that people forget. Nearly there. Heard is our next one. Heard. Have you heard the birds singing? H-E-A-R-D. And heart. H-E-A-R-T. Height. Tricky one, this one. It's that E before the I that catches people out. And history. 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 Well, fantastic if you could write all those words. That's only half of them though. If you want to have a practice at reading them, have a look at that video. Join me on the other video for the rest of the words. Bye.